We're excited about the construction going on here at Commonwealth Baptist College. I'm going to show you several pictures. You're going to see the construction thus far, the Dr. Jim Jorgensen Chapel, big beautiful welcome center. You'll see where the stairways have started here up to the beautiful mezzanine study fellowship area. There are several offices here in the building. Then a state-of-the-art computer lab, a music lab, nice classrooms. And we're right across from the beautiful Calumet Farm. I'll show you a picture of that. It's exciting to see what the Lord is doing here at Commonwealth Baptist College. I'd love for you to pray about making Commonwealth Baptist College a place that you will train and prepare for life and ministry. If I can help you in any way or answer any questions, why don't you send me an email at pastorfugate@gmail.com. I look forward to hearing from you.